discuss about the open sentence. Then later we will go for the definition of an equation. Then we will know how to solve an equation, and we will know about the rules of solving an equation. So here in this topic, that is linear equation. So here linear mean an equation in which the variables degree will be of 1. So now first of all, let us know about the open sentence. So here open sentence mean a mathematical statement or a mathematical statement or a sentence which is neither true nor false is called an open sentence. So here a mathematical statement or a sentence, a mathematical statement, or in other words mathematical sentence, a statement or a sentence which is neither true nor false is known as an open sentence, is known as an open sentence. And whereas now let us know about the next definition, that is the solution set, or in other words it will be called as the truth set. So definition of a solution set, or otherwise called as the truth set, is the set of numbers or in other words they are the values of the variables. So we will be substituting the values in the place of the variables, then which satisfies or which makes the given statement true is known as solution set, or in other words it is the truth set. So here an equation consists of variables such as x, y, then the values which satisfies the given equation or the given statement will be called as the solution set, or in other words the truth set. So here let us consider some of the examples under this. For instance, so here number one, first one is of x plus 2 is equals to 7. X plus 2 equals to 7, whereas here the solution. If x is equals to 5, then x plus 2 is equals to 7 implies, so here x must be replaced by means of 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 is on the right hand side, but 5 plus 7 is equals to 7, then the right hand side is also 7, the condition is true or the statement is true, then x equals to 5 will be called as the solution set or the truth set. So here therefore the solution set or the truth set is x is equals to 5, because say here the value of the variable, that is x, in the equation, that is the statement x plus 2 is equals to 7. So this value of the variable, so in this equation or the statement, say variable is of x, so here x equals to 5 only will satisfy this condition or the statement. This condition is true for only x equals to 5, therefore x equals to 5 is the solution set, or in other words it will be called as a truth set. So here this is the set of number, so here the set of numbers is of 5, this only 5 can what is satisfy this variable, therefore it is nothing but called the solution set. So here let us perform one more example, that is example number 2. So another equation is of 2x plus 5 is equals to 3. Then now the solution starts. In case if x is equals to 1, then 2x plus 5 equals to 3 implies, so here x must be replaced by means of this 1, then 2 into x value is of 1 plus 5 is equals to 3 is on the right hand side, that implies 2 ones is of 2 plus 5 equals to 3. 2 is of positive and 5 is also of positive, sum of these two will be off, so here plus of plus is plus, let us add up, 5 plus 2 is of 7, so here greater is of 5 among 2 and 5, so sign assessed by it is of positive, then that is equals to 3 is also of positive, but the condition is not true, so it is false. So since 7 and 3 are not equal, so the condition is false, the statement is false when x is equals to 1, therefore x is equals to 1 is not the solution set. So here in this case is not the solution set. Then let us go for another solution of the x, then that is let us replace x value variable by means of minus 1. Then the statement which is given for us is of 2x plus 5 is equals to 3, then when x is replaced by means of minus 1, that is 2 into x replaced by minus 1, then now plus 5 written as it is, then now that is equals to 3, that implies 2 into minus 1 is of minus 2, because 2 is of positive, plus into minus is of minus, 2 ones is of 2, then now 5 written as it is, then that is equals to 3 on the right hand side. That implies, to simplify the left hand side, minus of plus is of minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, greater is of 5 and the least is of 2, 5 minus 2 is of 3, to assess the sign of this 3, so among 5 and 2, 5 is greater than 2, so 5 sign is of positive, so here 3 assessed the positive sign, but right hand side is also of 3 with positive sign. So here the condition is plus 3 is on the left hand side and plus 3 is on the right hand side, and the equality symbol is in between, therefore the condition 3 and 3 are equal, the condition is true or the statement is true. Hence, so here x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 is the solution set, or in other words, so it will be called as the truth set. It's called the truth set. Then now let us go for the definition called the equation. So here equation, the definition of an equation is, it is an algebraic expression or in case of equations, let us know about the linear equations. So here, before going to that, I say an equation. So here an algebraic equation so here algebraic equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. So it is an equation, an algebraic equation is nothing but a statement in which two expressions will be equal. And it may involve, that is, a statement or the algebraic equation may involve, so involves one or more than one variables, or in other words they will be called as the literals. So here equation is nothing but a statement in which two expressions will be equal. So here that equation may consist one variable or more than one. So for instance, two x plus 1 equals to x minus 5, whereas here there are of two expressions. First expression is of 2x plus 1 which is on the left hand side of the equality, and the other expression is of x minus 5 which is on the right hand side. So two expressions will be equal, then only that statement will be called as an algebraic equation. So in an algebraic equation, so it may consist one variable or more than one variable, whereas in this equation, so there is of one variable, that is x. So here two expressions are of, so in the present equation, so here this will be called as an algebraic equation. So in this equation, so here there are of two expressions which are equal. So here two expressions are of, one as 2x plus 1 and the other is of x minus 5. These two expressions are equal. So here two expressions must be equal, then only it is said to be called as an algebraic equation, whereas in it the variable is of, variable equals to, say in the present equation the variable is of x. Then another example, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 4 is another equation in which